Oh, pray.
The
The
Father,
name?
Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Amen.
Okay.
Hello, Father, you have the Holy be your name, your kingdom come, the will you love, on earth as it is in heaven. Get up.
This day.
And the day you pray, and forget us to see it against us. Listen,
Okay. Do not.
do not bring us to the death, let it deliver us from evil. Amen. Give the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Precious time flies so fast. As everyone knows, we cannot replay and rewind time. As Pastor Ed Lapis once said, give children moments and memories, not just things. So when our grandkids need our time and assistance, as grandparents, we pause every time. For us, grandparenting is the most rewarding relationship. The littlest things we do together and the fun times spent with our grandkids make our hearts happy. We love to dine out together to create beautiful and memorable bonding moments that will leave them with a legacy of love. Hello, fellow food trippers! Please join us on this food trip with our granddaughter for an afternoon snack at the newly opened branch of Burgoo, an American bar and restaurant in Upper Ground B, Gateway 2 Mall, Araneta Center, Cubao, Quezon City. Burgoo is a stew recipe that originated in Kentucky, USA during the 17th century. It is prepared with at least 3 kinds of meat with vegetables, herbs and spices, and cooked for 20 to 30 hours until it becomes a thick stew perfect for sharing. Established in 1999, besides its famous stew, Burgoo has something for everyone, like American classics and hearty favorites like appetizers, soups and salads, sandwiches and burgers, stone-baked pizza, pasta, chicken and chops, steak and ribs, seafood, Tex-Mex, desserts, beverages, smoothies and coolers, alcoholic beverages and wines. Having a cheerful and relaxed conversation, we take our time to taste and enjoy our granddaughter's choice of breaded mozzarella sticks with special seasoning. followed by a few pieces of chicken quesadilla made with flour tortillas, filled with cheddar cheese, vegetables, and cubed chicken. Next comes a plate full of stone-baked pizza sampler in 4 flavors, and a platter of country-style chicken, seasoned and deep-fried to a golden brown, served with rice pilaf and creamy mashed potato. Complemented our meals with bottomless servings of refreshing iced tea and the zesty taste of lemonade. Food serving sizes are perfect for sharing at reasonable cost. The service of the chefs and the wait staff is on the whole good. So when looking for a new go-to place for good quality meals and a good selection of drinks, with a decent place to unwind, relax, and spend quality time with loved ones, take them to Burgoo, where anything goes for the best family treat. Burgoo is open daily from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.